45 years ago, my country was taken hostage. It is the Islamic Republic that is our common enemy, the enemy of all peace-seeking people in our regions. This regime must go.
As the Middle East is facing escalating conflicts, Reza Pahlavi, the son of the last Shah of Iran, emerges as a voice of hope for countless millions. With Iran grappling with the consequences of over 4 decades of authoritarian rule, Pahlavi's vision for a restored monarchy presents a compelling alternative in a time when peace and stability seem elusive. To understand the current situation, we must reflect on how Islamic Republic came to power. In 1979, the Iranian Revolution overthrew Pahlavi dynasty, leading to establishment of an authoritarian regime under the leadership of Ayatollah Khomeini. Promising liberation and social justice, the new government quickly transformed Iran into a theocracy, restricting personal freedoms. Today, the region is once again on the edge. The ongoing conflict involving Israel and Hamas, as well as Hezbollah and the Houthis, have had devastating consequences. Iran's involvement, particularly its support for militant groups, raises concerns about the broader conflict that could engulf the region and the world. In a video published on social media, Reza Pahlavi stated,
"The Middle East, the cradle of civilization, is rich with stories of great kings, prophets, and philosophers. But for 45 years, too many of us have been forced to live in fear."
His words captured the despair felt by many who long for a brighter future. Pahlavi emphasizes,
Iranians are not your enemy. It is the Islamic Republic that is our common enemy, the enemy of all peace-seeking people in our regions.
This powerful message of solidarity reinforces his stance against a regime that has exploited regional conflict for its agenda. As he advocates for restoring the monarchy, Pahlavi paints the picture of unity and stability.
So I know you might fear change will bring chaos, but fear not. We will not allow a power vacuum to follow the collapse of this regime. There is a vast coalition of patriotic Iranians at home and abroad, ready to step in to serve our nation and make peace with our region.
This coalition is more than just a nostalgic longing for the past. It is a movement toward democratic transition, empowering the Iranian people to reclaim their future.
I have told my compatriots that I will do my duty. I will step forward at their call to oversee this peaceful transition to democracy and Iran's return to the community of nations.
But what could a restored monarchy offer to Iran? The Pahlavi dynasty is often credited with modernizing Iran and creating a national identity. By focusing on education, infrastructure, and women's rights, Pahlavi envisions a return to these values, advocating for a system that honors tradition while embracing the needs of modern society.
Peace is neither a relic of history nor a distant dream. It is a promise we owe to ourselves and our children. And together, we can make it a reality.
As Iranians navigate the harsh realities of the regime that thrives on division and despair, Pahlavi's call for change shines as a beacon of hope. Yet the path forward is not without obstacles. The entrenched political structures and the regime's fierce resistance to change create significant challenges. What do you think? Can monarchy restore stability in Iran? Let me know down in comments. If you found value in this video, don't forget to check out these others. A special thanks to my Patreon and YouTube member supporters. Your support is highly appreciated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.